Yo, what's up, hustlers? Want to make some serious cash? Like $300 a day, serious? Then listen up because I'm about to drop some knowledge about uTest, the platform that can make you money moves from your couch. uTest is where companies go to test their apps and websites, and they need real people like you and me to give feedback. That's right, we're talking about getting paid to share your opinion. No joke, this ain't no pyramid scheme, folks. This is the real deal. So buckle up and get ready to learn how to turn your tech skills, or lack thereof, into a fat stack of cash with uTest. First things first, you gotta get in the game. Head over to the uTest website and create a free account. Don't worry, it's easy peasy. Just fill out your info. Tell them about your tech experience, or lack of it, they don't judge. And bam, you're in. Now, the fun part, filling out your profile. This is your chance to shine, so don't be shy. List all the devices you use, the software you're familiar with, and any special skills you have. The more info you provide, the more testing opportunities you'll get. Think of your profile as your resume for the digital age. Make it pop. Highlight your strengths, show off your personality, and make those companies want to hire you for their testing needs. Remember, the more detailed and accurate your profile, the more targeted testing opportunities you'll receive, and the more money you can potentially make. Alright, you're signed up, your profile is on point, now it's time to get down to business and start testing. uTest offers a variety of testing tasks, from simple surveys to in-depth app testing. Each task has a different payout, so choose wisely. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech whiz to succeed. uTest provides all the instructions and tools you need to complete each task. Just follow the guidelines, provide your honest feedback, and watch the cash roll in. Pro tip, pay attention to detail. The more thorough your feedback, the more valuable you become to uTest and their clients. That means more invitations to high-paying tests and a fatter wallet for you. Remember, quality over quantity, my friend. Focus on providing high-quality feedback and you'll be raking in the dough in no time. Section 4, Tips and Tricks to Boost Your Earnings. Now that you're a uTest master, let's talk strategy. Here are some insider tips to maximize your earnings. First, be active and check your dashboard regularly. New testing opportunities pop up all the time, so don't miss out on the action. Second, join the uTest community forums. This is a great way to connect with other testers, get tips and tricks, and stay in the loop about new opportunities. Third, provide high-quality feedback and maintain a good rating. The higher your rating, the more likely you are to get invited to high-paying tests. Remember, consistency is key. Make it a habit to check for new tests, complete them diligently, and provide valuable feedback. The more you put in, the more you'll get out. Section 5. Success Stories from Zero to Hero. Don't just take my word for it. uTest has helped countless people just like you earn extra income and achieve their financial goals. Take John, for example. He was struggling to make ends meet working a dead-end job, but then he discovered uTest. Now John makes over $300 a day testing apps and websites from the comfort of his own home. He's finally able to pay his bills on time, treat himself to nice things, and even save for the future. And then there's Sarah, a single mom who was struggling to balance work and family life. She found uTest and was immediately drawn to the flexibility it offered. Now she sets her own hours, works from home, and earns enough money to provide for her children and live a comfortable life. These are just a couple of the many success stories from the uTest community. If they can do it, so can you. Section 6. Unlock your earning potential with uTest. So, what are you waiting for? uTest offers a unique opportunity to earn extra income on your own terms. No more boring commutes, no more office politics, just you, your laptop, and the potential to make serious bank. Sign up today, complete your profile, and start testing. The world of online testing awaits, and with it, the potential to unlock your earning potential and achieve your financial dreams. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Take it one test at a time, stay focused, and never give up on your goals. You got this.